Welcome back to my establishment. I'm so sorry that I look like a little boy. But today in this video, I'm going to be attempting to do a wet wrap. I just watched this video that finally Amber did. She tried to straighten her hair doing this method, but I want to use it just for stretching purposes. So we are about to put leave-in conditioner in. And then I'm gonna get into the wet wrapping portion. So stay tuned. We're all conditioned, so now I'm about to start with this moussing. clear. I'm never doing this again, okay? This is probably the worst rap in the history of raps. But let me do a little turnaround so that y'all can see the whole thing. The worst. The worst, okay? Like the worst. But I had to go back and do the rest off camera because I just needed to last time doing this. So now I'm gonna take these rap strips and I'm gonna put buku, like 10. Just so everything could hold. Cause baby, look, this ghetto. And on hers was just staying by her being wet. I wonder if mine gonna do that. Oh, probably not. I need a mess. Why would other people do stuff right? Like they way everything worked out good for them. But when I do stuff, it just be looking so janky. Like, why I can't get the real effect of stuff? See? Oh, baby. Okay, well, this was just a trial run, you guys. I done messed up one of my little shirts because my hair decided to bleed. This was funny, actually. A nice little trial run. Well, let me see. I'm really funny. Like, for real. Child, please. I need to get this from behind my ears. Shame. Ow, that's too tight. I'm gonna do one more. But from the back to the front. This hurt my neck. Okay, so now I'm going to sit under my little dryer hood thingy for a couple of hours, and then I'll come back with a finished result. Because I talked to Russell about it like you asked me to. Okay, so we're back. It's the next day, y'all. This is horrible. I already know, so I'm taking some of these extra pins that I had in out. It's still wet in the middle, but I'm tired of waiting. I'm not sitting in the blow dryer anymore. I'm over it. So this is just I don't know. Oh, it's still wet in the middle. Okay, well, let's see what the rest look like. Oh, it's like my hair is mad at me or something. Oh, girl. It smells good. Oh, it's still wet in the middle, baby. Yikes. Okay, so what I might do is I'm gonna just, I don't know. This is not a cute way to look on camera. I'll just say that. Okay, so it works. It stretched my hair out or whatever. I look real scary. It is really still wet, so I might sit back under the dryer. Cause I like this result, like in the front or whatever. Oh, y'all, it stretched out real good. Wait. Okay, wait, I might not have to, cause, oh. Seems fine. Well, this part is still really wet. Oh. But it's stretched. It's really all I wanted. Okay, so wait. It's stretched. Oh, it stretched real good. Look at me. Do a little check. Hair is right here now. Let me see about the back. Cause y'all know I cut my hair a lot. Okay. So we're here now compared to here. We're doing good, you guys. We're doing really great. Yeah, so it's just the middle that's really just wet still. I should have made that my main focus, but I didn't. So let me do a little 360. I really look crazy. Well, I just slicked it all back. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put another scrunchie or two to keep it stretched out for a while. And considering that the middle back section was still a little wet, a lot of wet, but I'm gonna just call it a little bit. So this was basically a tutorial on how to stretch your hair out without using a lot of heat. I feel like if you have a looser curl pattern, you may have a better result than me. On top of whatever products you use, you may also have a better result than me. But this was worth it. I may or may not do this again, because that was a lot of work actually, because wrapping your natural hair, think about that. So this was fun though. I might do it again in the future, but I feel like this is a safer way of stretching your hair out than applying like direct heat. So that is it for this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and go tell your friends, tell their friends, tell their friends to come back and tell your friends to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back.